how's it going? Alright, now, welcome to Baz's classroom, where I'm going to be talking to you all about the meanings behind words and phrases in Aussie lingo. Today, I'm going to be talking about the term Budgie Smugglers. You might have seen a pair of Budgie Smugglers before and not even known it. Have you ever seen a bloke at the pool or beach wearing a pair of these? Yeah, you know what I mean. What the bloody hell?
Well, a lot of guys can smuggle a budgie, but let's see if you can smuggle a pink galah like me. Woo!
It doesn't take much to get yourself into my pants. So there you go. Budgie Smugglers. Now you can't say that I don't teach you nothing.
So be sure to subscribe.
And we'll see you at the next video.